Today, we're going back in time to explore the magic of photograms within Adobe Animate, breathing new life into the art of early photography. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new project, selecting the suitable dimensions and frame rate for your animation. This is where our photogram magic will begin. Now, let's add an image that will serve as the base of our photogram, preferably an object with interesting shapes. Import this image onto your stage. Ensure that the object is somewhat transparent. Duplicate that same image several times, each instance on a separate layer in the timeline. Experiment by adjusting the opacity, size, and position of each duplicate. This will create the layering effect quintessential to photograms. Next, add keyframes to each layer across your timeline to animate these adjustments. This will control the appearance of our photogram. Over time, play around with each one to get the desired look. To really get that authentic photogram feel, adjust the blending modes of each layer. Experiment with modes like add, difference, or multiply in the properties panel. Finally, preview your animation. Observe how those layers of images interplay, create depth, and bring your vintage vision to reality. Consider adding color adjustments and other animation techniques to enhance the nostalgic tone. By exploring these steps, you've unlocked the power of old photograms in Adobe Animate, reviving a historical technique to enrich your animation with a unique aesthetic. Don't forget to experiment and have fun bringing the past to life.